So once the discovery is complete, you will see all of your VMs that are in your VMware environment listed in here as part of the discovery, and you will notice that a lot of them will require the dependency and the MMA agent installed on the VMs. So that's normal. So the Azure Migrate piece overall requires the OMS agent plus the dependency agent installed in each of the machines that you want to assess. So in here, I have one of my VMs is actually installed with the OMS agent, and you will see that there's the other VMs that I have in my environment doesn't have any agent installed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and install the agent, and I'm going to show you how it's installed on one of the VMs, and it will be the same process that you need to follow for the others. So how you can get the installer is like if when you click on request installation agent, then you will see the download links in the portal itself, and you will see the workspace ID that was created for you as part of the Azure Migrate, and the workspace key for that. So you can use these two links and download the agent, and I have already downloaded the agent, and I'm gonna copy them to the ctemp and then get them installed in the server. Okay, now if I'm completed copying them, and now I'm going to run first the OMS agent. So it's a simple next clicks. And if you don't, if you have all the libraries, C++ libraries required installed on this, you will you don't need a restart for the after the installation of the agent. It will be a non-reboot installation. So now I'm going to copy the workspace ID from the portal and the key as well, and then go next. And it's an easy install as this. Once it's successfully completes the OMS agent, then dependency agent is a agent that sits on top of the OMS agent. So it will be another install, and it's just the next and finish click. So that's the agents installed. Now let's go back to the portal. And let's go back and have a look at the Azure Migrate. Let's go and have a look at the discovered VMs. And you will see that it takes some time, and you will see that the dependency agents is now installed. So let's go and have a look at like what are the dependencies on the web server. And when you click on that, it gives you the dependency map, which is a really cool feature. And this one's based on the information that's provided by the dependency agent. And you will see that web server, has a process of running default app pool, and that app pool is talking to this server, which is MySQL server, basically. So it has all the details of what that server is, and we can also drill down into this server as well. Uh, yeah, and then if you look at the health service, it's talking to two servers, and they are two public IP addresses. And the public, these, if you think of what this is, it's the OMS agent itself. So it's talking to these two public IP addresses, which is OMS public IP addresses. And this one here is my RDP session that I have opened, and my IP address is this one, and I'm targeting 3389 on this server itself. So like that, it tells you all the communication protocols that it discovers, and it maps it up to you in a very intuitive way that you can do the dependency mapping and group the dependent servers together and then migrate them together, which is really cool feature. So if you go back here and then go to the SQL Server, and then if you look at the SQL Server itself, you will see the dependencies of it. So this server itself, again, it's a it's a health service, which is the OMS agent, and probably I must have had a something browser opened or something that's hooking into the port 80. But again, that's mostly like port 443 that health agent's talking to. And you can see that the web server is talking to the SQL server itself, and that's the only server. And again, I have another client session that's open on the 3389 port. Yeah, so it gives you this nice little overview of what the dependencies are.